also having the chance to see what Europe brings. We have a lot of stands, as was explained, so I'm pretty sure it's going to be a great day. Our discussions we are going to have with you today to tell you all the work that we do to make sure that we are going to have a common future, and a message from the President of the European Council directly to the citizens of North Macedonia.
Вие мора да се гледа да се поемневието на животот на нашиот народ. Во чист и уреден град, во функционални институции, во безбедни улици, во зелени и јавни простори.
Лесно е зашто има многу и многу да се пишува и да се зборува.